After decades away from North America, the Toyota Crown nameplate has returned to our shores. Despite replacing the discontinued Avalon, this is not a traditional sedan. Instead, the 2023 Crown crosses the line between car and SUV, perhaps in an attempt to expand its appeal to buyers outside the shrinking full-size sedan segment. Either way, the Crown's mix of elevated driving position and three-box styling taps into a niche emptied by upgraded sedans of the past like the Subaru Legacy SUS and Volvo S60 Cross Country. The 2023 Crown launches with a pair of conventional hybrid powertrains. The entry-level arrangement is a familiar one, pairing the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors and a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. The most expensive Platinum model gets a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder and a custom hybrid max drivetrain that sees an electric motor on the rear axle coupled for 340 horsepower. The Crown's distinctive looks and whimsical body styling are complemented by a spacious cabin packed with premium features. Toyota equips all Crown models with an abundance of standard driver assistance systems and infotainment technology. The EPA estimates that the Crown with the base hybrid drivetrain could return up to 42 miles per gallon in the city and 41 mpg on the highway. The Platinum model's more powerful hybrid max drivetrain is claimed to deliver around 29 miles per gallon in the city and 32 mpg on the highway.